Asking for something, a little bit brighter. Not just lights, but the sunshine. We need the sunshine to come back, and it's coming back starting tomorrow and again on Thursday. And what about Christmas Day? We're going to get to that in just a moment. 46 right now, Lincoln City. Wind is just barely out of the southeast at 7 miles per hour. Things looking good. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies for you across Portland here. Nice city view from our Subaru camera. 45 degrees. Low 40s as we dive into your 7 o'clock hour. We're going to stick with it all the way through about 10 o'clock. And then as soon as we get more of those clouds to kind of break up under high pressure, that's taking over, then your temperatures are going to cool down into the 30s. What are we seeing right now for you? At the coast, Tillamook, you're at 41. Salem at 42, 40 Hood River, Mount Hood Meadows, 21 degrees. By the way, if you're expecting anybody coming down from government camp, it's going to take some time. There's a lot of traffic up there. Rainfall since midnight, we picked up less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. A huge difference compared to what we saw over the weekend with record-breaking rainfall totals. Rainfall totals really for a 2.5-day period that took us all the way up to 8 inches for some locations in the higher terrain. Up and down the valley, though, we were looking at 2 to 3 inches of rain, pretty significant over that short period of time. So let's talk about river stages. The river that we're still watching that is still in that minor flood stage category, that's in Aurora, Pudding River at 22 feet right now. So that's in the bottom end of the minor flood stage. It is forecast to come back on down the hill. As soon as we get to tomorrow night, we expect it to get out of that minor flood stage into the action stage and then eventually decrease as we will be lacking any more rain that we're putting into the mix. More rain on the way? Yeah, as we get to the end of the week. So let's talk about that forecast. Want to point out a few features for you. As we get to tomorrow, there's the clouds breaking up right around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Offshore flow is now developing under this ridge of high pressure that's going to clear out the clouds and also allow us to cool down a lot more, especially overnight. Those temperatures dropping down to near freezing. We get to Thursday morning, still nice and clear for the most part. Offshore flow continues. Now we get to Thursday midday to afternoon. This is going to be key. If we start getting these clouds kind of forming Thursday afternoon and evening ahead of the next front, that's actually going to help reduce the chance of seeing those temperatures dropping down to freezing for us in the valley. So that's going to be key. We're looking at the chance of seeing perhaps some low elevation snow. So what are the chances? We get to Thursday night, clouds are increasing. That might pretty much squash any chance of seeing some low elevation snow. Here comes the next front. There's the rain showing up for you right there at the coast at 6 o'clock in the morning. So this would be the prime time to get some of that rain to move overhead. But if it doesn't, and we get this rain to show up over Portland more so in the middle of the day to the afternoon, then goodbye to any chance of seeing any low elevation snow. The exception would be right here in the gorge. If we get that cold air to kind of stay in place right around Hood River, you might see a few snowflakes. That would be early Friday morning. And then more snow for you for the higher elevations above about 2,000 feet as we roll into Friday. How about tomorrow? Tomorrow, more sunshine in the forecast. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s for you. Upper 30s, eastern Oregon. There's that cold air diving in that I was talking about on Friday. We could see a repeat happening for us next Monday and Tuesday. What does that look like temperature-wise on your 7-day forecast? Let's take a look. Here we go. Mid 40s for your daytime highs. 44 Monday and Tuesday of next week. But look at those overnight temperatures there. Tomorrow night and Thursday morning, low 30s for you.
Ooh, brr. Thanks.